One sunny morning, a seagull flew happily over the blue sea.
What a beautiful day. I hope I can find some food. I love swimming in the clear water.
The seagull saw a little fish swimming alone near the shore.
Oh, a fish, I am very hungry. Please don't eat me, I am scared.
The seagull looked at the little fish and felt kind in his heart.
Don't worry, I won't hurt you.
Thank you, you are very kind.
From that day on, the seagull visited the fish every day.
Hello, my friend, how are you today?
I am happy because I have a friend like you.
The seagull and the little fish learned that kindness makes the world better.
Being kind feels good.
Yes, kindness.
Kindness and compassion can turn strangers into friends.